changing your view, I've already touched on that when I was showing you the interface, but you always want to make sure that you are looking at everything as cleanly as possible. So for example, if I want to look at the interior here, I would disable my exterior walls by clicking the Disable Exterior Walls button here. And this way it will allow me to come a little bit closer to the interior items here without having to fly through the exterior walls, if that makes sense. So it gives me a little bit of breathing room when I'm editing. And the nice thing about the exterior wall disable and enable button is that if you rotate your view, it will always remove the walls that are closest to you. So this way you don't have to go in and manually select layers and disable them yourself. So, and the same thing goes with enabling and disabling lofts. I will click this button here, which enables and disables the lofts. You will see this little eye icon here, which will get a strike through if this layer here is disabled. So this way you will be able to see the downstairs area a little bit easier without having to go through the structural floor of the lofts. I'm just going to quickly switch back to the regular view mode here by clicking my toggle normal camera button here, so I can use the normal camera for the rest of this tutorial. Just as a quick tip as well, when you are in 2D mode, you can still use the enable and disable lofts button. So it shows you a ground floor and first floor plan view. So at the moment it shows me the loft, but if I click on this here, it will show me the downstairs area as well. All right, I'm just going to go back into 3D mode just to finish this up, and then I will move on to the next step.